We must note, even though this particular exam is only uh, one exam removed, right? So we were looking at the October, right? This one is April of the last year. Uh, it's still extremely important uh, to understand that things get outdated. And in this particular exam, we know that it was kind of like a borderline exam because the CBP examiners did require examinees to be familiar with CBP Form 70501 instructions. And of course, now we have, instead of CBP Form 7501, we have ACE entry summary instructions. So from forms we move to ACE. So this is a major difference, and the major difference here is that you will not be dealing with blocks, because ACE does not deal with blocks like its 75.1 predecessor did, but more or less definitions stayed the same. So it is useful question. In a way, it's outdated, but the processes and definitions pretty much remain the same throughout.